What if I told you there's a way to bring high-speed internet to every single room in your house, no matter how many devices are connected? Did you know that having numerous devices connected to the same Wi-Fi router will actually congest the signal distribution? Bet you didn't know, right? But of course, there's a few solutions to this, my friends. For example, FTTR. It's a solution to help extend the fiber coverage throughout your home. Or what we are more familiar with, a mesh. And this is how it looks like. That's why you need Fibre-To-The-Room or a mesh node. But what's the difference? FTTR is all about fiber optic cables installed in every room, ensuring that you have fast and stable connection wherever you are. Hence, no more worry about signal dropping no matter how far you are from the router. And if you're on high-speed plans, for example 1 gigabit per second with FTTR, every room will get super high speed. Every device gets its own high-speed lane. Mesh nodes, on the other hand, work by linking multiple access points or nodes, creating a Wi-Fi network that covers a wider area. It helps boost your signal so you get better coverage throughout your space. But remember, the further away you are from the main router, the weaker the signal can get. So to sum it up, whether you want to go for FTTR or mesh nodes, both are actually solid options depending on what you need. FTTR gives you super fast internet in every room, while mesh nodes spread the coverage throughout your space. If you're looking to upgrade your home internet experience, CellcomDigi's FTTR 1+1 package is actually worth checking out. It even includes free installation, making it super convenient. Or you can subscribe to any CellcomDigi fiber plan with 500 megabit per second or higher and get a free mesh node. It's totally up to you. Pick one that suits your home and say goodbye to dead zones. Thanks for watching, and if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video, share this with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!